Good afternoon, all of you. Today we will start Heron's formula, chapter number 10. Some in Heron's formula, whenever we will use that Heron's formula, when we are having a scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means all sides are different, है ना? This is suppose 5, this is 4, this is 3. If this type of triangle will come, then how we will find the area? We will use that Heron's formula. Heron's formula, a mathematician Heron's has given that formula, right? That we will apply. Suppose we are having a triangle ABC, one side A, one side B, one side C. All sides are different. Then we will use that formula. How? First we will find the semi-parameter. Semi-parameter means, parameter means A plus B plus C means sum of all sides we will do. Right? Then semi-parameter means half of parameter. है ना? Means A plus B plus C by 2. That is semi-parameter. And how we will do the area for this? Heron's formula. That is area is equal to under root of S means semi-parameter, S minus one side A, S minus B means other side, and S minus C means third side. That is the area of, for finding the area of a triangle when all sides are not equal. Means Heron's formula that we will apply only for that type of triangles. We can apply this formula in each and every triangle, no problem. But if we are having this type of triangle, then always we will use that Heron's formula that is given by the mathematician whose name is Heron's, right? So we will go to the first question now. This, ठीक है? Check. Find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter. Look at there. This is a triangle and two sides are given. One is 11 and other is 8. And parameter of triangle is also given. Parameter of triangle means sum of all sides. That is also given. What is that? 32 centimeter. We have to find the area of this triangle. So in this type of triangle, we will use the Heron's formula when we are having three sides. So two sides we are having, one more side we want to find first. Okay, parameter means sum of all sides, sum of all sides. Okay, two sides are given 11 plus 8 and third side is suppose C. This is A, this is B and this is C. Okay. Parameter is also given 32. 11 plus 8, 19 plus C. 32 minus 19 is equal to C. 12 minus 9, 3, 2 minus 1, 1, 13. Okay, 19 plus 13, 32, that is equal to C. This is the value of C. C came means third side came, that is 13 centimeter. Right? Third side came. Now we have to find the area. So if all sides are not equal, we will apply the Heron's formula for that. So how we will find the Heron's formula? For finding the area, first we will find S. S means semi-parameter. S is equal to half of parameter. Parameter is already given, na, 32. We will apply this only. 32 by 2, that is 16. So S came 16, है ना? Now we will apply the formula, Heron's formula means area formula, that is S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. ठीक है? A is equal to area, we are finding the area of a triangle by Heron's formula. What is S? That is S we have already find now. that is 16, right? 16 minus sides are 11, 8 and 13, right? 11, 16 minus 8 and 16 minus 13. 16 minus 11, 16 minus 8 and 16 minus 13, right? 16 minus 11, 5. These are in multiplication, right? 16 minus 8, 8 and 16 minus 13, 3. Okay, what will come? 8, how we will write? 4 into 2. So 4 square root is 2. So 2 will come out. Then what will left? 5 into 2 into 3. Okay, 5 3s are 15, 2s are 30. So 2 into root 30. Right? 5 3s are 15, 2s are 30. 2 root 30, that is centimeter or in meter? We will check that in centimeter, right? So that is centimeter square. This is our answer, right? Again I am telling this. देखो, that is the area of triangle, Heron's formula that we will use whenever all sides are not equal, right? We are applying this because whenever all sides are equal, that is equilateral triangle. है ना, equilateral triangle we can apply this on equilateral also, but whenever because equilateral triangle we are having na root 3 by 4 into side square, that is the area of equilateral triangle, area formula that is of equilateral triangle. In the same way we are having when triangle is right angle, है ना, right angle triangle area is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height, that also we can find by right angle triangle, है ना. So in this way, when all sides are not equal, then we will apply this formula as s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. What is s here? S is a, b, c are the sides of the triangle and s is the semi-parameter, means half of the parameter of the triangle, a plus b plus c by 2, right? And this question, find the area of the triangle, two sides of which are 8 centimeter and two sides are given. Third side first we have to find. How we will find this third side? Parameter is given and two sides are given. Parameter means sum of all sides. We will add all sides, then from there we will find the c, that is 13, right? Now this side came 13 and semi-parameter is p by 2. So 32 by 2, 16 means s came 13, 16. Now we will put here 16. What we have put here? Yes. 16, 16 minus a is 11, 16 minus b is 8, 16 minus c is 13. ठीक है, 16 minus 11 5, 16 minus 8 8, 16 minus 13 3. So 8 from these all, what will come? 4 into 2 we can write. So 4 square root is 2. 2 will come out. 5 will remain as it is. 2 will remain as it is and 3 will remain. We can't take any outside from this square root. So 5 3s are 15. 15 2s are 30. So 2 root 30 centimeter square is the area of this triangle. I hope this question understand to all of the student. ठीक है. We will go to the next. A triangular park ABC has sides 120 centimeter. This is a triangular park whose side is 120, 80 and 50. ठीक है. A gardener Dhania has to put a fence all around it. Something fence he want to put and also plant grass inside. And inside he want to plant the grass. How much area does she need to plant? Means first we have to find the area, means how much area she have to plant. And after that cost of fencing we have to find, means how much cost will be there for fencing the wire that is all around the, means except gate, this 3 centimeter, these 3 meter gate we will leave this for going inside, but rest we will find the cost. So what we will do, first find the area of this triangle. Now all sides are not equal, so we will apply Heron's formula. So first, for finding the area, first we will find the semi-parameter. Semi-parameter means sum of all sides by 2 means half of parameter, right? Suppose this is A, this is B and this is C. ठीक है? So A is 120, B is 80, C is 50 by 2. 120 plus 80, 200, 250 by 2 है ना? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10. 125 meter will be the semi-parameter, right? Now we will find the area. We will find the area. Area formula is S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, right? What is S here? S is 125. So 125 minus A is 120. 125 minus B is 80 and 125 minus C is I think 50. I will check once that is there or not. Yes, 125 minus 120, 125 minus 80, 125 minus 50. Correct? This is in the square root. Okay. So what will come? 125 minus 120 that is 5. These all are in multiplication. ठीक है? 125 minus 80 that is 45 and 125 minus 50 that is 75. Right? Now we will make the factor of this 125. 125 how we will write? 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. ठीक है? Multiply 5 and 45. 3 3s are 9, 5s are 45. ठीक है? And 75. 5 into 3, 5 3s are 15. 15 5s are 75. Means 25 3s are 75. ठीक है? Now check once how we will find. Pairing we can do. 1 5 we will take out from this. 1 5 we will take out from this. 1 3 we will take out from this. And 1 5 we will take out from this. Rest I think no pair is there, so root 15 will remain inside, है ना? 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125 and 125 3s are 5 3s are 15, 1 3 2s are 6 or 1 7, 3 75, right? So it will be root 15 remains as it is inside, right? Centimeter square. So what will come? 375 root 15 centimeter square. I think it is in centimeter. We will check once. That is in centimeter or meter, right? Meter, right? So what will come here? Meter. Meter square here also. Meter square. ठीक है? These we will take out. Then what is left inside? 15. So 15 will remain as it is inside. ठीक है? Like this only. Root 15 meter square. ठीक है? So how we will do? I am telling again this question to all. देखो. This is a triangular shape park. So area of this triangle first we will find for finding the area सबसे पहले हम semi parameter find out करेंगे, means a plus b plus c all side sum is the parameter and half of that is semi parameter. So all side sum by half what will come? 125 meter. सबका जो है पैरामीटर निकाल के उसका हाफ कर दिया, दैट इज 125 मीटर, है ना? उसके बाद एरिया निकालना है. एरिया इज एस माइनस ए एस माइनस बी और एस माइनस सी विल बी देयर. एस इज 125 माइनस 20 बिकॉज वन साइड इज 120, वन साइड इज 80, वन साइड इज 50. सो वन साइड इज ए, वन साइड इज बी, वन साइड इज सी, राइट? सो 125 माइनस 125, 125 माइनस 80, 45, 125 माइनस 50 दैट इज 75 लेफ्ट. ठीक है? अब इसके फैक्टर बना दिए. 125 के 5 5 5 5 और 5 मीन्स 5 5 5 3, फिर ये 5 एज इट इज़, 45 के 3 3 5 एंड 75 के 5 3 ज़ा 15 5 ज़ा 75। अब देखो इसकी पेयरिंग करके ये हमारे आउटसाइड आ गए और अंदर बच गया रूट ये 15, तो रूट 15। अब इनकी मल्टीप्लाई करी दैट इज 375 रूट 15 मीटर स्क्वायर, ये हमारा आंसर है। आई होप दिस क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड टू ऑल। वन मोर क्वेश्चन लेफ्ट मीन्स एग्जाम्पल दैट वी विल डू नाउ ओनली। द साइड ऑफ ए ट्रायंगुलर प्लॉट आर इन द रेशो 3:5:7, तीनों साइड्स का रेशो दिया हुआ है, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी विल टेक विद x 3x 7x 5x, ठीक है। तो एंड पैरामीटर ऑल्सो गिवन, पैरामीटर मीन्स सम ऑफ ऑल साइड्स, ठीक है। तो सॉल्यूशन वी विल डू ऑल साइड्स a इक्वल टू 3x, b इक्वल टू 5x, c इक्वल टू 7x एंड पैरामीटर क्या होता है, सम ऑफ ऑल साइड्स, है ना। सो 3x प्लस 5x प्लस 7x, पैरामीटर कितना है 300, 5 और 7 और 3 10 और 5 15x, 15 2 ज़ा 30, 20 आगे x की वैल्यू। सो व्हाट विल बी द साइड A? साइड A इज 23 ज़ा 60, साइड B इज 100 मीटर, ठीक है। एंड साइड C इज कितना था 20 140। टोटल देखो इट विल बी 300, 140 एंड 60 200 प्लस 100 300 केम नाउ, है ना। बट वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया। सेम देखो पैरामीटर इज गिवन एंड सेमी पैरामीटर इज पैरामीटर बाय 2, पैरामीटर इज 300, सो S इज 300 बाय 2 दैट इज 150 मीटर, ठीक है। नाउ वी विल डू द एरिया। एरिया इज S minus area is S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, ठीक है। S came 150 ना, 150 minus sides we will check now, 150 minus 60, 150 minus 100, 150 minus 140, 150 minus 60, 150 minus 100 and 150 minus 140. I think these are only there. Check once. 60, 100 and 140. 60, 100 and 140. ठीक है। 150, 150 minus 60, 90. 150 minus 100 50 and 150 minus 40 10, ठीक है। अब देखो 10 10 10 10, तो 110 will come from these two, 110 will come from these two, 210 means 100 will come out, so what will left inside 15 into 9 into 5, ठीक है। 15 we will write 5 into 3 and this 9 will also come out, 3 into 3 into 5. Now pairing we will do 1 3 and 1 5 will come out, means 5 3s are 15, so 1500 will come out and what will left inside 1 3, so 1500 root 3 meter square is the answer. Otherwise you can do directly also 150, make the factor of 150, 90 factor, 50 factor, 10 factor, whatever come means in pairing you will do, whatever will come out na that will be out and what will be left inside in root that will be here only in root, ठीक है। सो 1500 रूट 3 मीटर स्क्वायर मीन्स क्या है, आपको इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालना है। स्क्वायर रूट कैसे निकालोगे, सभी के फैक्टर्स बनाओ और वो फैक्टर जो कॉमन आ रहे हैं दैट वी विल टेक कॉमन आउट फ्रॉम द स्क्वायर रूट, स्क्वायर रूट से बाहर ले लो, जो बच गया उसके अगर फैक्टर बन रहे हैं उनमें से पेयरिंग करके एक एक बाहर ले लो, जो बच गया वही हमारा स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर आंसर रह जाएगा। तो ये बच गया देखो 5 और एक 5 ये रहा, एक 5 बाहर आ गया, 3 टाइम है तो 2 3 में से 1 3 बाहर आ गया, तो हो गया 5 3 15 और अंदर बच गया सिर्फ 1 3, तो 1500 रूट 3 क्योंकि 100 हमने पहले ही बाहर ले लिया था। इन 2 10 में से एक 10 बाहर आ गया, इन 2 10 में से एक 10 बाहर आ गया, तो हो गया 1500 रूट 3 मीटर स्क्वायर जो हमारा आंसर है। आई होप these all question understand to all. Thank you very much for watching this video.